So this next step is bleeding the lifters. Basically what you do is just a little cup, fill it all the way to the top or where the lifter is fully submerged. And I'm using a paper clip here, but you push in, you can see the lifter as it's going up and down since it's hydraulic. You want all the bubbles out of there. If you don't do this and you just install it in your engine, when you turn that car on, it's going to sound like a diesel. But yeah, you want to get all that air out, and whatever you do when you take it out, don't turn it right side up. You have to bleed it all over again. But the little lifter on top, it's springs, so it goes in and out, and that's how the air gets out. You can actually see all the black shit that's coming out of it. So this one's done. Shit. Let's go put it in the car. And it should just slide right in. Or with a little bit of TLC. There you go. On to number 2. So we had to change cups because that little water bottle was crappy. And we're using that little L key. It's a lot better. It fits perfect in the hole. And look at all the sludge. That oil was like clear, and now it's like all milky black. And once you take the lifter out, just keep it right side up. That's pretty much it. See, all the lifters are in there. And we're done with the lifters. Now to put on the rockers and the shims.